this is a heartfelt note for the parents of the children who have Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy. On a side note, for the people who do not know what Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy DMD is, it's a rare fatal disorder for the children where their muscles keep on getting weaker, and it weakens to the point that it starts impacting their internal organs as well. Now, I do have some parents that I speak with whose children have been recently diagnosed with DMD, and then there are parents who have been dealing with DMD for quite a few years. Whenever I talk to them, first of all, I feel very heavy when I talk to them because I know I can relate to their pain. Being a muscular dystrophy person myself, I realize that, you can understand your own pain, but when you see your child struggling, it is even more difficult. You know as a parent that if you send your child to a school, their teachers, their peers will not be able to understand why they're not able to get up from the wheelchair, why they're not able to play with you, or why do they have difficulty in doing the regular tasks. So the parents suffer a lot while taking care of their children who have DMD. And I know that, what these parents are doing, nobody in the world can do it. I mean, any parent who's taking care of a child who has a disability, and that too from an early age of 3 or 4 years old, if you are seeing your child struggling, it's just, heart-wrenching. But today, I just want to, suggest to these parents that just, unload your burden for some time. Try to be a little happy. Try to take a break from all the worries and all the tensions that you have in this world, and just breathe for yourself. If you are happy, if you are able to take the time for yourself, you will be able to make sure that your child is also a bit happy. I know I have seen that parents are fighting for the rights of their children on the streets of India. There's a gene therapy treatment which is there in USA, which is being developed, and the clinical trials are going on, but then this treatment runs in crores. And I know that the parents are hopeful that, some treatment is going to come, some breakthrough will happen. But before that happens, just take a breath. Unload your burden. I remember from my own experience, I was visiting a homeopathic doctor, and he could see me being emotional while I was, telling him about my past. So he said, you are carrying so much guilt, so many sad emotions. And if you have that much sadness in yourself, then it will physically manifest in a wrong form, of course. So why don't you just put away that guilt, that sadness, and just go back home and forgive yourself? I did that. It took me some time, but I did that. It was not as easy as snapping your finger and doing it. But trust me, we can be happy in some moments. So parents, let's try that. Thank you.